Welcome to Lesson 17 of our journey through the first 50 Linux commands, and this one's a game changer. Picture Sarah staring at her terminal, waiting 30 seconds for Find to crawl through millions of files just to locate a single nginx.conf. There's a better way, a command called locate, pronounced locate, that doesn't search the file system at all. Instead, it checks a pre-built index, think Google for your hard drive, and returns answers in milliseconds. So how does locate pull off that kind of speed? Linux quietly maintains a database called mlocate.db, a catalog of every file name on your system, rebuilt once a day, usually overnight. When you run locate, it's reading that index, not crawling the file system. The trade-off is freshness. A file you created 10 minutes ago won't show up until tomorrow's update, so think of it this way. Find walks every shelf in the library, locate checks the catalog card. Pros use both. Locate for everyday searches, find when they need something brand new or exact. So let's actually try it. The syntax couldn't be simpler. Just type locate, then the name you're hunting for. No path, no quotes, no flags. Watch what happens when Sarah runs locate nginx.conf. 4 matches come back across completely different directories in about 0.05 of a second. The same search with find would take 30 seconds or more. One quick heads up though, locate matches anywhere in the path by default, so locate nginx would also pull in every file under etc nginx and usr-lib-nginx. Use the full file name when you want precision. Now that you've seen locate in action, let's zoom out and ask the bigger question, when should you actually reach for each tool? Think of it this way. Find walks every shelf in the library, live in current, with the power to filter by size, type, age, or even run commands on what it finds. Locate just checks the catalog, blazing fast, dead simple, but limited to file names, and only as fresh as the last index update. The rule of thumb? Try locate first. If it comes up empty or stale, fall back to find. Locate is your daily driver. Find is your power tool. So let's make locate even smarter with 3 options worth memorizing. -I makes the search case. Insensitive, so report, and report all match. Perfect when you can't remember the exact capitalization. -C skips the listing and just counts the hits. Great for quick reconnaissance like, how many log files do I actually have? And -B matches only the base name, so you find files literally named notes.txt instead of every path that happens to contain those letters. Oh, and if locate can't find a file you just created, run sudo updatedb to refresh the index manually. Now let's see this in action. Sarah's debugging a production issue and she needs 3 different config files. Fast. First, she runs locate nginx.conf and instantly gets the path. Then locate -issl.crt finds her certificate, case insensitive. Finally, locate -b webapp.log pinpoints the log by base name. 3 lookups, roughly 0.2 of a second total. With find, this could have taken minutes. Instead, Sarah's already back to solving the real problem. But here's where beginners hit a wall. You create a file, you can see it with ls, but locate swears it doesn't exist. The reason? Locate isn't reading your live file system. It's checking that catalog we talked about, and the catalog only rebuilds nightly, so your brand new file simply isn't in the index yet. The fix is easy. Either run sudo updatedb to rebuild the catalog right now, or fall back to find for that one fresh file. Locate for old, find for new. That's why you keep both tools. And that pairing with find is just the start. Locate really shines when you combine it with a few trusted neighbors. Pair it with find when the index lets you down, fast plus accurate. Pipe it into grep when locate floods you with matches and you need to narrow by an extra pattern, find plus filter. And when a common name returns hundreds of hits, pipe into less for clean, paginated browsing instead of scroll chaos. 3 combos, 1 workflow. Now it's your turn. 3 tiny exercises, about 3 minutes total. First, type locate bashrc and just feel the speed, every bashrc on the system, instantly. Then try locate iReadme to catch any capitalization, readme, all of them. And finally, locatec.conf gives you just a count. You might be surprised how many config files are living on your machine. If locate isn't installed yet, grab plocate or mlocate first, then dive in. And that's lesson 17 in the books. Locate name for instant searches, -i when case doesn't matter, -c to count matches, and updatedb to keep your index fresh. But here's the thing. Locate finds files by name. What if you need to search inside them, hunting for a specific error in a log or every config that mentions a password? That's where grep comes in next, and it's going to make you a true text search ninja. See you in Lesson 18.